Georgianne Holland, and I'd like to talk to you today about your last doctor's appointment. You sat in a waiting room, much like this one. As a holistic health coach, I'm often told about my clients' doctor's appointments. Has this happened to you? I'll tell the story as if it's happening right now. A few weeks ago, you were at your annual physical. Your doctor ordered blood tests, and today, you have a list of questions for your follow-up appointment. The doctor has come into the exam room, and he's begun to flip through your chart on the computer screen. Just as you take a deep breath to ask your first question, your doctor says that your blood work isn't looking the same as it did this year from last, and in fact, you've fallen into the category of prediabetes. He says, your A1C number has gone up from 5.5 to 5.8%. There's an awkward pause. After asking what that means for you, the doctor grabs a few pamphlets that explain type 2 diabetes and warns you that if you want to avoid that disease, it's important for you to get this prediabetes under control. Your doctor might say, read these pamphlets, and Diane from the office will call you in 6 months for another blood test. Your doctor then stands up and tells you that everything else is fine, all your numbers are looking good, except, well, it looks like your weight has been creeping up. He may ask if you still have stiffness in your joints. As you shake your head yes, he starts moving towards the door, and 4 minutes after it began, your doctor, bless his heart, is expected to move along to the next patient. He might also add, your stiff joints may well be associated with prediabetes. It is really important for you to get this under control. As he reaches for the doorknob, he wonders, do you have any questions? You look back down at your notes and realize you haven't asked a single one. At this point, you're at a loss for words, so you repeat the doctor's order as you understood it, and you say in a shaky voice, I'll make sure I read these pamphlets and watch for Diane's call in 6 months. I wonder, as you drive home, is now what all you can think about? How good would it feel to have your next doctor's appointment go much differently? The Solution Starter program for prediabetes has been designed to support you in this now what stage of a chronic illness. Your health questions deserve answers.